Well, good morning. And it's a chilly one, as you've probably just seen with the frost on the car. I've got the warning up on the dash saying there may be icy roads after all that rain the last few days. It's going to be dry, so we're going to get out. So I've coated the glasses in Zeiss anti-fog. And remember folks, for all your steamy glasses problems, use Zeiss anti-fog. Code available down in the description. Yes, use Todges a Tosser 10 for 10% off your next purchase of Zeiss anti-fog. Yeah, all load of bollocks. I'm only taking a piss, we don't go in for all that shit. But that cold air in your face, it's bloody lovely. Are you there, Steve-o?
Well, good morning and welcome back. It is a chilly 0 degrees. December 15th, I think, 6th. Can't remember. Anyway, back in Dorchester again, meeting up with Nige. Probably start the day with a breakfast. And then for us, we're heading north, up in the Somerset. I've got new heated gloves on. I've only got them on number 1. I've got the heated grips on 1, and I am nice and toasty.
Oh, fuck me, why so slow? Oh, my life. What are you doing? And if you need to see how chilly it is, look at that. That's the frost on somebody else's GS.
Is he here yet? There he is. Hiding in the corner.
And they're gonna do it like a start like Le Mans. Hang on, mate, I'm gonna get a... Just so I can... I
can't believe you're saying don't use your indicators, use hand signals.
yeah. What's nice is we're holding them up.
Yeah.
Fit?
Yep. All ready to go. I don't know how far they are going, but he said they're using a drop-off system.
Oh yeah, they're probably going down a fucking high street. And he'll go, yes, there's an option there to the left, option to the right, option, fucking options. Call it a fucking junction like it is. Oh, I know what I didn't do. Set my rear camera recording. Can you reach it?
Probably, if I can sneak up behind you.
Just to press the top button. It's not recording, is it?
Nope. Yes, it is now.
Right. Wait for that Toyota to go and then we'll go out after him.
Okay, all clear.
Oh, put it in gear, you know. Still clear?
Yeah.
I chucked a tenner in their bloody Christmas tip jar.
You're too generous.
I said to him, probably won't be here before Christmas night.
I think we've spent enough money in there to pay for their summer holiday.
Used to be the first words out of my wife's gob, that did, when the girls got home from their waitressing jobs. Get many tips?
Ah, good to be out on the road again.
It's 3 degrees.
I concur, sir. Ah, you done well out of that tour de faff, and it looked like we didn't have much rain, didn't it?
I know. I can't believe it. Because the days that were the worst for the rain, obviously we didn't record at all. So Mr. Ice Diddy is on taxi duty today, isn't he?
He is again, yes. Yeah, it's another day he can't come out with us. Well, all I've got is a t-shirt and a base starter on.
I mean, we're on 1 degree,
Yeah.
which is a slightly chillier than when we went to Cheddar Gorge that year, wasn't it? Last year.
Yeah, I think that went down to 2, didn't it?
2, yeah.
God, my hands hurt that day. Well, hopefully, I won't have that trouble now. I've got my new gloves.
Yeah, I did have an hour whether to get some.
I mean, 59 quid, waterproof and heated.
Yeah.
Even if they only last you a bloody year. You were saying you picked that bike up in April, didn't you?
May, 5th of May.
5th of May, and you've done, what, 6,000?
6,000 miles.
I picked this up the end of August, and I have done, it's 32, so I've done 3,800. We've done all right, haven't we?
Certainly bloody have. Nothing coming, is
Right
it?
behind you. No. Thank you.
It's going to turn out nice, I think, today.
I think it is.
Ah, it turned out nice again.
Yeah, I can't believe how quiet it's been on YouTube the last couple of months.
Apart from some dickhead banging videos out left, right and centre. I said I'll have more videos than subs soon.
Well, if you was getting paid per video, you would have paid for the tour by now. Ah, it's good to get them out though, isn't it? You know, why we had such a good time, why condense a whole day down into one video?
Yeah, exactly.
Why not break it up into 2 or maybe 3?
I'll show you the field in a minute where I put my Z250 Scorpion Kawasaki. I put it in the field. Yeah, fucking when I was on L plates on my Z250.
Yeah. You weren't by any chance giving it a little bit, were you?
Yeah, I totally misjudged that fucking corner. I took the wrong line into it. I mean, you'll see in a minute when we drop down here, it's a lovely bend, and in the dry, when it's not mucky or slippy, it's a lovely bend to really crank it on round there. But I mean, as a spotty-faced 17-year-old who's fucking flying on down here, see this sign for sharp right, and I thought, oh, that's nice. So I smack it down a couple, but yeah, it made a total pig's ear of it.
I think we've all been there, haven't we?
You can see it on your map, look how tight it is. So yeah, I mean, the obvious thing is get out here and take the bend nicely. But no, I was out here and I thought, oh fuck. So it never used to be a bank there and no railings, and I landed up in there. I mean, I didn't go flying off it or nothing. I went through the bush and I was like rolling on the field, and then it slid and you know, went over, but it wasn't as if I went flying over the handlebars and all that. But yeah, what a twat.
It was enough to wake you up.
Well, yeah, and then we had fun getting the bastard back out. Yeah, there's a big gap here in front of that tranny.
Yeah.
Ooh, tranny.
I see. Oh, I don't think you can say that anymore, can you? I see him
tranny?
actually drop back, which is nice of him, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I did most of me falling off on grass.
That one with me was totally my fuck up. I took completely wrong line into the bend.
Yeah.
And I panicked, I think, and I braked, and of course when you brake, just stands the bike up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So that was it, through the fucking bush.
Mine was just on the outskirts of town, 90-degree bend, negative camber, and I just went in there too quick, didn't hit the brakes because the back end went. Simple as that, just slid down to the opposite gutter.
They them bloody branches though, they hurt your legs when they're whipping you as you're going through it.
I'll tell you what does hurt is when the back wheel's still going round and it's burning through your sock.
Oh.
Because I only had trainers on. Didn't have any bloody boots on or nothing. Nice little burn mark in the ankle.
Still, we live and learn.
Oh yes. Bought a pair of boots after that.
Yeah.
Still rode like a twat. Jeans and work boots and jeans and trainers. What was that?
I don't know whether it was a stone or a fucking great bee. Good job I had my bloody internal visor down.
I did hear it.
Jesus. That'd be a slow-mo. Oh no, I haven't got the camera on my chin, have I?
Oh, my body's abusing me today. Or I abused it last week. Oh.
Not with sex toys and things like that, I hope.
Oh no, no work unfortunately.
Now I think there's a lay-by along here somewhere that's full of, there you go, look on the right. Full of old caravans and shit that they live in. Shall we stop at that garage again and have a coffee and change the batteries?
Rightio, I'm going to check the back tyre.
Because we do like coffee.
We do.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Now what?
Well, fucking, she's in the lane to get past everybody and fucking sits there pissing around looking in the mirror at something.
We couldn't get served in Subway last time, could we?
No, what was it they weren't doing?
What,
oh, they didn't have coffee or some shit, did they?
Oh, it sounded ridiculous. It was me, you and Howie, wasn't it?
Yeah.